On August 30th, the Taiwanese military fired at mainland Chinese drones. This is likely the first time Taiwan's military has fired at a mainland Chinese target in nearly 2 decades. Taiwan media reported that 4 Chinese drones flew into Kinmen Island, and Taiwanese soldiers fired their rifles at the drones to drive them away. Similar incidents have occurred a few times recently. On the 30th, 4 groups of drones, divided into 4 sorties, were spotted in the areas of Audeng, Erdan, and Shi Yu. The garrison guarding the islands fired warning flares and then fired warning shots using rifles for the first time. The drones flew away in the direction of Xiamen, Mainland China. The first few drones were spotted in the Guaudu, Erdan, and Shiyu areas at 4:23 p.m., and they flew off back to the mainland after being alerted by signal flares fired by defenders. At 5:59 p.m., another drone entered the airspace over the restricted waters in the Erdan area once again, and the garrison fired warning shots at the drones. Then the drones flew away at 6 p.m. The Taiwanese Ministry of Defense declares that the military will continue to monitor the situation